Hey everybody, it's Troy, Roadside RC. We are out here today at the beautiful, beautiful park. I have the X-Maxx. Logan has his new to us 4S 5-inch blade drone. And we are gonna do some shenanigans. So he's gonna fly it around. We're gonna get used to it. It's kind of new to us. It's not a new, it's an EMax Hawk 5. And then we're gonna put him in a drag race. X-Maxx versus 5-inch drone, which one's faster? So this is going to be pretty fun. Come on, let's check it out. Here we go. We're going to race. 3, 2, 1, go. You got
it. Definitely get you off the line. Oh no! Up.
Oh, did I just self-right? All right, X-Maxx 8S with the, what is it, a 980 kV motor, Max 6 Max 5 ESC, almost 1-to-1 gearing, and a EMax Hawk. All right, EMax Hawk 4S 5-inch blade drag race. Logan on the Hawk, me on the X-Maxx, ground versus air. So there's the road curves. So my drag racing path curves. So I'm thinking we have to have the finish line is right about where the road curves. Does that make sense? You'll see it when you're in the air.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? All right, so since you're gonna arm the drone and sit there still. We're gonna 3, 2, 1, and on go, I'm gonna nail it, you're gonna nail it, we're gonna see who gets there first.
Yes.
What do you think's gonna happen? You think it might be close? I think I'm going to get you on the start, of course, because you have to get in the air.
Yeah, I think this is a very short distance for my drone.
I think it's a very long distance for an X-Maxx.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I crashed! Oh no! All of the death. Oh my gosh. I couldn't tell what happened. Did you beat me?
Yes.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it wasn't even close. He stomped me. So I could see it from down there now. You stomped me good.
Yes.
Like it was not that it was even close, but I really struggle on the takeoff. So maybe you should give me a little bit. I think I want to start over here on the asphalt so I can get better traction to start and see how much closer that makes it. All right, so we have a spotter down at the end, Mr. Rich DRC. Logan, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Who won, Logan? One more time. All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my gosh, the X-Maxx is tumbling! All the tumbling. And it still drives. So you stomped me, you think, every time?
Every time.
Every time. I think the drone might have won every time. That last time, I thought I had a really good lead on you.
Yeah, you did.
I had a really good lead on you, but I hit a rock right here. The truck was all sorts of crazy. I never even got to full throttle, but all those are just excuses, right? And who won?
Me.
Me. Drone versus RC.
Drone. Oh, that was such a bad idea.